Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save WebP images as PNG or JPEG in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to any website that contains the image you want to save. You'll notice that when you try to save certain images, they only appear as WebP files, which can be frustrating if you need them in a more common format like PNG or JPEG. This is where a helpful extension comes into play. Once you've located the image, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will open up a submenu with several extension-related options that you can choose from. In the submenu that appears, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can find thousands of tools and add-ons designed to enhance your browsing experience. The web store is where we'll find the solution to convert those stubborn WebP images into more usable formats. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Save Image as Type and press Enter. This extension is specifically designed to help you save images in different file formats, giving you more flexibility when downloading pictures from websites. It's a simple but powerful tool that solves this exact problem. From the search results, you'll see the extension listed. Click on it to open the extension's detailed page. Here you can read more about what it does and see user reviews, but for now, we'll move forward with installing it. On the extension page, you'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button to begin the installation process. A more pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now be added to your Chrome browser, and this should only take a few seconds. Once it's installed, you're ready to start using it immediately without needing to restart your browser. Now, go back to the web page with the image you want to save. Right-click directly on the image to bring up the context menu. You'll notice something new has appeared in this menu. Instead of just the standard save option, you now have a new entry called Save Image As, thanks to the extension you just installed. Click on Save Image As, and you'll see multiple format options appear. You can now choose to save the image in your preferred format. Click either Save as JPG or Save as PNG, depending on which file type you need. The image will immediately download to your computer in the format you selected, bypassing the WebP limitation entirely. And that's it. You've successfully saved a WebP image as either PNG or JPEG using a simple Chrome extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.